I think is gonna be the best mod for the Falcon Pro is throwing a 52 teeth sprocket on this thing, because it currently has a 48 tooth and is geared out to like 60 with him, 57 with me.
All right, so there was 56.
I think it's lacking a little bit of low end torque. So I think it'll be super beneficial with this thing. Let's go ahead and slap it on, see what kind of torque we get and what kind of top speed we lose. Also, if you guys want to see some quality content, let me know in the comments down below, because I got this thing like 3 years ago and it has like 15 hours on it, so I need an excuse to take it out. So let's go ahead and get on the bike, do a couple of tests, see how it performs with the stock sprocket, and then slap on the 52 tooth sprocket and see how it compares.
All right, so let's do a quick little test so we have a comparison for when we swap on the bigger sprocket. So yeah, this thing is lacking a little bit of that low end torque. Just doesn't have that explosive power out of the corners like the GT does. I know the GT has more power. But it also has a bigger rear sprocket. This thing has less power and a smaller rear sprocket, so it's really lacking in that low end torque. But honestly, I think we could fix it by changing that rear sprocket. We'll lose a little bit of top speed, but I mean, that's plenty of it. And for his riding style, he's not really going above 50 anyways, so I think you'd greatly benefit having a slightly bigger rear sprocket and having a little bit more torque. So let's go ahead and head home, throw on that bigger rear sprocket, and see what kind of top speed and what kind of torque we could get out of this thing.
I'm not doing shit.
All right, so we got that Warp 9 sprocket on there with the 52 teeth. Looks a hell of a lot better. Way lighter too. You're also gonna need 2 extra links. Luckily I had some laying around from when I changed the sprocket on the GT. But yeah, so you will need 2 links. So let's go ahead and test the top speed and the torque on this thing. Oh yeah, dude, this thing is way torquier. Let's go ahead and do a top speed test first real quick while I have 92% battery, and then we'll go right around the track, see how it feels. Speedometer is probably gonna be inaccurate because I didn't change the gear ratio, but I'll just test it on my phone. All right, 3, 2, oh shit. Hey, you good, bro? All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So there we go. We got 48 miles an hour. Honestly, it's a little bit less than I was expecting. I was expecting probably around 50 to 52. Probably with my brother, he'd probably still get it over 50, so that's perfect for him. He's rarely over 50. He just needed that little bit of extra torque because it's kind of hard to pop up sometimes for him to do wheelies, so this should help him a lot. All right, let's see how it feels. Oh yeah, dude. Dude, it feels way better. It actually breaks the tire loose. I can keep up with him a little bit on the track now. Oh yeah, bro. This is what the bike needed. Bro, way way better. That's okay, it's already dirty. Look, you used to never do this. Dude, just brakes and tires loose. I know they're bald, but he's just eating his mud. Still not on the level of the GT, but can't. That's to be expected. This thing has like almost double the power. But this thing is way torquier. Just slid out. Just spinning wheels. Can't get no too much torque, huh? Or these bald ass tires, buddy. You good?
Yeah.
Did it feel like a good little massage?
No, half of those guys I didn't hear. You're laughing at me.
I'm gonna get your ass back, bro. You almost saved it. Let's go, boy. Go, 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 go. Oh, this thing is so much fun, bro. Your mud tastes good. How does it feel?
Very nice.
Way better, huh?
Yeah.
Night and day difference. If you guys have the Falcon Pro, I'm telling you, throw on a larger sprocket. Do 52 teeth. Money, bro.
52. 1, 2, 3, 4, 52.
You count all the way to 52?
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, it completely changes the bike. It has way more low end torque. It is what the bike needed. It felt a little bit sluggish out of the corners. Completely changed the way it feels. Yeah, I lost a little bit top speed. I'm happy with it. It is way more enjoyable to ride. So I'm telling you, don't wait. Throw on a larger sprocket. You won't regret it. Oh yeah, dude. Before you'd have to put effort to pop it up. That's fire, bro.
So much better.
Bro, that shit pops up so easy now.
Bro, I was further back on your bike.
Dude, you were back far. I'm surprised you.
They gave out. When I got there, they gave out.
I was worried you were about to loop. That was pretty far back.
Fire.
Pops up way easier, dude.
Is that like almost thunder spanker?
I don't know. We'll have to watch the footage. That shit was fire, dude. 100% best mod you could do. So we're gonna keep ripping. Hit that like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.